This is Teacher Mamshi, your math teacher for today.
Wow!
Our topic for today is a continuation from what we've discussed in our previous lesson, an operation on fractions. And this time, you are going to perform operations on multiplying and dividing fractions. I am expecting that at the end of this lesson, you can multiply and you can divide fractions. Let's start! And now, let us review first what is fraction. We've learned this yesterday that a fraction is part of a whole. And we have here an example, 4/5. 4 divided by 5. 4 is part of 5. This part is called numerator. This whole here is called denominator, separated by a fraction bar or this line here. Now, how can you multiply and divide fractions? And now, let's do the operation. Now, let's do some examples. I believe that multiplication and division is easier than adding and subtracting fractions. And this time, let's start some examples on multiplying fractions. This is easier than playing a video game. Let's start. We have 3/5 times 1/2. Or 3/5 times 1/2. Or another way, 3/5 times 1/2. To perform this, just multiply across. Multiply the top number, this, and that is your numerator. 3 times 1, 3. Next, multiply the bottom number, 5 times 2. And that is 10. So our final answer now is 3/10. Very easy. Next example is, let's try 6/7 times 3/4 or 3/4. In this example here, same method what we've learned from the first example, multiply the numerator to the numerator. 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 4 is 28. Now, try to look at with our answer. Is the answer divisible by a certain number? Is it divisible by a certain number? Yes. And what number that could divide 18 and 28? Let's try 2. 18 divided by 2 is 9. This is to give your answer in simplest form as your final answer. 28 divided by 2 is 14. Is there any number still that can divide 9 and 14? No more. So therefore, the final answer is 9/14. Very easy. And this time, let's proceed to dividing fractions. How are we going to divide fractions? And let's have some examples. But before that, we have this what we call here the butterfly method or cross multiplication. We will be using this to divide fractions. Let's have example number 1. 3/5 divided by 2/4. 3/5 divided by 2/4. Now let's apply the butterfly method. So it looks like butterfly. This is how you do it. This one and this, and proceed to multiplication. To answer this, 3 times 4 is your numerator. We have 3 times 4 is 12 over 5 times 2 is 10. Simplify your answer or write your answer in the simplest form. 2 can divide 12 and 10. 12 and 10 is divisible by 2. So therefore, 12 divided by 2 is 6. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And that is now our final answer. You can also change your answer into a mixed number. But this time, we will just leave our answer in fraction form and it must be in the simplest form. So, final answer is 6 over 5. Now, what is cross multiplication? Just the same. You just simply multiply that. 3 times 4, 12. 5 times 2, 10. Simplify your answer, 6 over 5. Second example, or our last example. Let's say 6 over 7 divided by 3 over 5. Again, just do the cross multiplication or the butterfly method. So we have here. Or you're having this, the cross multiplication, and let's multiply it now. 6 times 5, 30. 7 times 3 is 21. Is this our final answer? Is the answer already in the simplest form? What number that could divide 30 and that could divide 21? And that is 3. So 30 divided by 3 is 10. 21 divided by 3 is 7. So the answer now is 10 over 7. Very easy, right? Do you have any questions? It's your time to shine. So this time, I will give you 5 minutes to do it yourself. Try to practice. Remember that practice makes perfect, or constant practice makes perfect. And now, let us answer the problems and try to check if you got it right. Start with number 1. Multiply the numerator to the numerator. So you have 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 6 is 42. Make sure that your answer is in the simplest form before you finalize it. The question is there a certain number that could divide 6 and 42? Is 42 divisible by 6? Yes! And that is, first, 6 divided by 6 is 1. 42 divided by 6 is 7. And the final answer is 1 over 7. Make sure that you write your answer in the simplest form. Yeah! Number 2. We have here 2 times 3. Multiply the numerator, upper number to upper number, 6. 5 times 4 is 20. Is 20 divisible by 6? How about divisible by 4? How about by 2? Yes. And so, 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2 is 10. And the answer is 3 over 10. Last problem is division. How will you do division again? If we know that this one in multiplication multiply across numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator, in division or in dividing fractions, you are just going to cross multiply or using the butterfly method. 3 times 5 is 15. 8 times 2 is 16. Is there any number that could divide 15 and 16? Nothing. No number that can divide 15 and 16. So therefore, this is now your final answer. Very easy. It's easier than playing a video game. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much, and this is Teacher Mamshi, your math teacher for today.